Bed Cross Road. This precious little farmhouse was actually built in 1935, but was completely taken down to the studs in 2016 and rebuilt from the ground up. New electrical, plumbing, flooring, electricity, HVAC, everything was redone in 2016 and then has continued to be improved since then. Come on into the living room. We've got great wood flooring in here in the living area. And then as well, we've got lots of windows, as you can see, some great natural light in here. In fact, as we mentioned these, you can see that these blinds are motorized. They are automatically gonna go up. They're gonna let light in. They're the silhouette blinds. And as we walk through the house, you can come in and see into the kitchen. When the improvements were made in 2016, all granite was put in, new backsplash, naughty alder cabinets that are beautiful. So even though the home is small, there's a lot of cabinet space. And the appliances are incredible. We've got great Whirlpool appliances, a dishwasher, an oven, and this is a great feature right here. This is the ADVANTIUM speed cook oven. So it's got speed cooking, convection baking, and microwave all right there. And in fact, I think you can bake a chicken in like 25 minutes. And so it's a great appliance. Great pantry right here. And then of course we've got our utilities right here, full-size washer and dryer, and lots of custom cabinets in there. This room right here is actually the dining room. However, this family's been using it as just a little office nook, and they've chosen to have their dining room table over in the other part of the house where the living area is. So let's move on to the bedrooms. Here's our secondary bedroom. On this side, beautiful carpet. It's in great condition. It's all the carpet in the house has been Scotch guarded to preserve it. And this room also has some really nice custom blind system. It's the lock and pull. And so no cords are needed. Great windows in here, and then each bedroom has its own private bath. So you can see all the beautiful travertine tile in the bathroom, granite and naughty alder cabinetry in here as well. Let's go look at the master. Here's our master bedroom. Lots of view. You can really have great view of how pretty and green and everything is outside. And here's our master bath. Master bath has a walk-in shower, as well as frameless glass, naughty alder cabinets, and granite countertops. And then this one also has a nice big walk-in closet for the master. Looks great. In 2019, this home added on a beautiful back porch, as well as carport and storage building with electricity. So there's been a lot of work done to the house in the last year or so. So I hope you are welcome to come out and visit us anytime. Give me a call at 817-300-8196 if you have any questions. And hopefully we can get you out here to take a look at it in person. Thank you.